Hello. In this video we're going to go over 2014 free response question 4, part C. So in this part it says at time equals 2, the train's position is 300 meters east of the origin station. This tells me an initial position of 300. I know I'm moving east from the origin station. Never eat soggy waffles. That's just how I remember it. I know it's goofy. So we're 300 meters east. What do we need to do? Write an expression involving an integral that gives you the position of train A. So we're finding ending position at time equals 12. Excuse me. So we're finding ending position, which is x of 12. My ending position is equal to my initial position. So my ending position is equal to my initial position plus my displacement. My displacement is when you integrate the definite integral from 2 to 12, you're integrating velocity. Integrating velocity is displacement. And then how are we going to integrate? Well, we are going to use a trapezoidal sum with 3 subintervals. So our ending position is going to equal our initial position, which we knew was 300. Plus, we're going to do a trapezoidal sum. Trapezoid area formula is 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases. So, I would end up with 1/2. My height is my change in time, which is 2. We've got to be careful. We are starting at time 2, so I actually don't need this interval right here. We're starting at 2, so we have 1, 2, 3 subintervals. So my height or my change in time from 2 to 5 is 3 times the sum of my bases, which are 140, plus I have 1/2 my height, which is the change in time from 5 to 8, which is 3, times the sum of my bases, which is 40 plus negative 120, or 40 minus 120, plus 1/2 my change in time from 8 to 12 is 4, times the sum of my bases, which is negative 120 plus or minus 150. And I could simplify this if I wanted. We want to find the trapezoidal sum indicated to approximate the position. Position means we're in terms of meters. So what I would do is I would throw on a meters here at the end. And we would get our answer. We don't have to simplify. If we simplify, we'll be able to tell which direction we're heading, either east or west. But if you throw on your unit, you should earn your point. So let's look at the rubric. If we came up with a position expression, we get a point. If we did a trapezoidal sum, they just wrote theirs different, we get a point. And if we end up getting the ending position, which we didn't simplify, we just threw units on, you will get another point. And they simplified. It looks like they got negative 150, which means that they were going left of going east, which means they were going west. So the position of the train is approximately 150 meters west of the original station. So we left it like this. We could have just that many meters from the station. And hopefully that'll earn our point. I'm pretty sure it will because we're told not to simplify. And that's it.